Our 90-second spot is beginning to shape up. We have plenty of time to work on it, and with non-destructive editing, we can do anything that we want. I need some text. Now, I'm looking at that first clip. That's the first thing they're going to see. It's got the world population clock on it. But how many would know that? Now, I could say, I suppose, in an audio clip, this is the world population clock. I'm going to give them some text. That's all. Let's just give them some text. So we're going to come over to this button right here. Now go into the build in out. And that just narrows the search because this is the one I want and I know it's there. It's a very boring one. It just sits there like a lump. Now you got some pretty exciting ones if you want to give somebody a headache. This is the one we want. So I'm going to use that to put world population clock as a title over the world population clock just for that one clip. So let's go ahead and grab it and drag it. And we're going to drop it right here. Now, see how it goes behind world clock and goes in front of the main storyline? That means it's attaching not to the clock, it's attaching to the main storyline. Now, I want to get right in the front, right like that. And there we go. Let's come over here and click on our inspector. Now, in the inspector, we have title. We have text. That's what I want right now. I'm going to click in here and type in world population clock. Now we can change the font if we want to. We can change the actual display of the font, like maybe a light oblique. You can see it changing up there. You can decide. We have alignment features and things that we don't need to worry about. Line spacing, tracking, if you don't know what that is, watch the text. It spreads it out or brings it back in. Let's actually make it a little bit bigger, though. Maybe something like that. Now, it is by default right in the center, and that's fine, too. If we come down here, we have face, outline, glow, or a drop shadow. You can turn these on if you want to, or off. And if you go into show, it shows you features for that particular thing. I don't want to glow. I'm going to turn that back off. I might want to drop shadow, though. It'd be very subtle. Let's leave that on for now and see if we like it later. Let's go into video right here and go into the Y feature right here. Click once on 0 and then drag left or right. Now I'm dragging left. Much easier than trying to click and drag on it. I'm going to put it right about there. Now it will live just for this clip and then it's going to go away. But by using this, we guarantee people will know what that is, the world population clock. Let's come out of here. We can close this down. Let's go ahead and bring it to the front and play it full screen right over here. I'm happy with that. But the cool thing is, if we're not happy with it, we can change it anytime we want to. And don't forget also that you don't have to save. When you quit Final Cut Pro, it saves automatically in the background.